How much time do you waste jumping between manual, pieced-together SMSF processes? Even if it's just 30 minutes a day, that's already 10 hours a month. Now, multiply that by your number of funds and employees working on them. That's hundreds of productive hours lost. Sometimes working with antiquated software and processes feels like throwing money out the window, doesn't it? To be honest, we don't know any accountant or auditor who likes doing that. Unfortunately, the high cost of manual processes like referencing, sorting documents, preparing work papers, or switching between custom-made solutions means that quite often you still can't streamline your work the way you'd like to. And trying to do that manually and in a hurry frequently results in data consistency issues and even more time lost. But what if you could change that? What if you could get a safe, secure, and streamlined way to quickly prepare and manage your SMSFs and transition seamlessly to audit? And what if you could do it in half the time it takes you now? Think of all the extra revenue you and your employees could generate if you use technology to automate and optimize the SMSF preparation and auditing process. All that without having to leave your favorite solutions that you're accustomed to. Introducing SMSF Sorted by Cloudoffis, the latest addition to the cloud-based SMSF solution suite, providing seamless communication from client to completion and delivering automation for all professionals in the SMSF process. A new game-changing platform that'll drastically improve the time it takes to sort your SMSFs from start to finish. SMSF Sorted makes the preparation of work papers easy. It helps you gather the necessary information and store documents, reference them, and transmit them to the auditor with the assistance of automation. We don't have to mention how much time and money that automation could save you, do we? Top that with the ease of communication between accountants, auditors, and clients, which can be tracked with time and date stamps right within the Cloudoffis user interface. When working with others, you don't have to worry, as you control what you share, with flexibility to select what information is transmitted to audit. Of course, as a fully professional solution, SMSF Sorted neatly complements existing Cloudoffis audit software and also seamlessly integrates with leading SMSF administration solutions. All that while avoiding data consistency issues. And what about any manual errors? In case of an error or update, Cloudoffis will re-import the data and flag the changes. This makes updates to accounts and referencing fast and accurate, without losing any previous referencing work. With all the legislative changes and market pressure, you just can't afford to keep wasting time and doing things the old way. Unless you're fine with watching others get ahead of you with smart automation. The good news is, with SMSF Sorted, you won't have to. Everything can now take place in Cloudoffis, making the preparation of SMSFs a breeze.